all, myself Diti Bhat from class 4B of Sanjeevani International School. Today I am going to present that the light travels in a straight line. For this, firstly we need the following things. We need these 3 CDs, like these 6 clips which we use to dry the clothes, thread, sellotape, candle and a matchbox. Firstly, we will make the stand for the CDs like this. Like these we need to make stands for all the 3 CDs. Now the CDs will look something like this. Now we will take the thread and keep it over here, and now we will stick it from the sellotape. Now we will place the CDs. Now we will place the CDs like this. Now we have placed the 3 CDs in a straight line with the help of this thread. Now we will place this candle at the end of the CD. Please note that the candle should be at the same height of the CD's hole. So now you have seen I have placed the candle. Now we will lit the candle with this matchbox. So now I have lit the candle. So now I will check if I can see the flame from the holes of the CDs. Yes, I can see the candle's flame from the holes of the CDs. You can check it. See, now we can see the candle's flame from the holes of the CDs. So, now we will move the middle CD slightly left or right side. See, now we cannot see the flame of the candle because we have moved the middle CD slightly to a left or right side. So now we will move the middle CD in its position. So this proves that the light travels in a straight line. Thank you.